Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install MySQL in your Windows. Here you can see I'm in a browser. I will search here MySQL. Here you can see MySQL installer. Okay, just click on it and you just need to download any of them. Let's say here you can see we have web community and installer community. So actually we are going to download this one, and I will select this one. No thanks, just start my download, and here you can see it start downloading. Here you can see we have completely downloaded. Now let's go for the installation. I will click on it. So here you can see it start installing. I'll select yes. Now I'll go for the custom and then select next, and I will select this one, first one, MySQL service, and then MySQL server 8.0.41. okay, this one, and then I will drag it like this, and then I will go for the applications and then MySQL workbench, this one, and I will drag this in the right side also, and then MySQL shell 64. okay, this one, and I will select this one, and now I will select next, and here you can see all the three product, and now I will execute it. Here you can see the status is installing, so we have to wait for a few seconds. So you can see that we have completed everything. Now go for the next and the next. So this is the default. Okay, so I will actually not change anything. I will just select next, and then use a strong password for authentication. So let's select here a password. So actually I'm going to say here a password, let's say 123, repeat password, let's say. Okay, actually I'm going to give here a password. I actually want to I don't want to share with you, sorry guys. And the password will be like this, and you can actually give any password. Okay, so next, keep everything as it is, go for the next, execute. So everything is done. Now click on finish, and then next, then finish. So here you can see we have a MySQL workbench, and from here actually we can create database and do everything. Okay, we can create database, we can connect to the database. Okay, so from here actually, so I hope you understand. So if this video is helpful for you, make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.